guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a high definition video on CapCut PC. So copy and paste like your video, and then on the second one you're going to go to adjustments, curves, and you're going to put the left one to the top and the right one to the bottom like that. You're just going to like do it the other way around actually. And then once you're done, you're going to go to video effects here. You're going to add in the the blur effect, which is under lens. Select both, right click, create compound clip, go to video, go to basic, go to blend mode. Go to blend mode and select linear burn and adjust the opacity. And then you're going to go to media, you're going to go to library, and you're going to add in a white stock video on top of those two videos. Go to blend mode and select overlay and adjust the opacity as well if it's too much, and adjust the opacity back in the color burn bit. Then you can just go to adjustments here, go back to basic on the first video. And adjust like the brightness and like the contrast and highlights and stuff like that. And like here, you sharpen it to create a like high quality video. That's basically it. You can see the difference. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!